This is a color picker system. Using Unity's UI system. Clicking over the desired color of the color image, RGB values changes, and preview color changes too. Changing manually the RGB values, color change too. I show you how it works. Let's suppose you have a panel in the scene, like this. The first you need to do, if you not did it, is set up render modes canvas as screen space camera, and drag main camera into render camera. Once you did it, you are ready to grab color picker prefab, and drag it into your scene. And it's done. This will work well. Now, let's suppose that we only need to pick the color of an image, but we don't want to pass the color values into input fields receptors. First, we need to set up correctly the image picker, like this. Set this image like a sprite, filter point as point, without compression, and the most important, read and write, enabled. Good. You are ready to grab the image picker and drag it into image slot. OK. Now, I go to rename this panel, as panel color picker, and drag in color picker script. Let's rename the image picker game object, and drag it into image picker slot from color picker script. And now, rename the image preview game object, and drag it into image preview slot. With this done, how you can see, the simple color picker does his job well. Let's see now how to implement the input fields in our color picker. First, you must create 3 input fields for R, G and B channels. So, create it, and rename it. Select all input fields, and drag in UI color listener script. And now, selecting each input field, set the correct color value as a color channel. And finally, select all input fields again, and drag in the game object with color picker UI script attached. In our case, the panel container. And the last thing to do, is select color picker panel, and drag each input field, in the correct channel slot. And that's all. Our color picker is ready to go. Easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Download links below.